up, guys? Today we're up at Predator Ridge on the outskirts of Vernon, British Columbia, and we're doing the yoga platform hike. There's like a little golf community up here, whole bunch of houses and stuff, and then a couple golf courses. It's like a world-class PGA course. Anyways, there's a lot of hiking trails up here, so we're gonna do one of them today. I'll show you in a sec here. See, there's multiple different hiking trails up here. We're gonna do the yoga platform. There's like a huge platform up there that people do yoga on. Long Spoon Loop. Yeah. And you can actually connect down to Ellison Provincial Park from here too. It's a long one though. Here we go. So you just follow these little signs that say trail. We're gonna get some good views up here.
Hopefully the smoke.
Yeah, hopefully the smoke isn't too bad. Kind of cleared out. We got a lot of rain yesterday, so that was good. And it did clear up, so we're like, let's go on a hike. Got to take advantage of the clear days now. There's our car down there. We just parked in a neighborhood. We're up high now. See, look, there's more neighborhoods across there. There's like little lakes. So you got all kinds of different spots and viewpoints. We are going to the yoga platform. Casey's gonna do yoga on camera. She's gonna teach you guys.
They actually do yoga and mimosa here on Sunday.
Yoga and mimosas?
Yeah,
Wow. That sounds like a good time.
know.
I like a mimosa. And I like yoga. All right, we got another connection here. Just keep following. Oh yeah, the yoga platform. It's kind of worn out here. Check out these guys ripping. That's the golf course right down there. Just walking above it. There's Okanagan Lake off in the distance, a little bit smoky. And there's Venus off in the distance. Just getting her hike on. We're almost, well, we got a little ways, but we'll be there soon. So we came to this little like frog pond here. I remember this in the winter. It was like it was the only thing that wasn't frozen solid. Like, there must be a warm like spring coming out of this. It's probably where all the animals like to stop and drink. I don't know if there's any frogs at all though. I don't see any frogs. Oh, warning. Another marker. See, we got 0.16 of a kilometer, so basically just right over here. This is a really popular mountain biking trail. You can see the tracks. We just passed a few guys ripping. Okay guys, we're almost there. The yoga platform's right over here. And there's a person standing on it, as I see. Look at, that's how smoky it is here. That's Okanagan Lake right down there. And Casey's gonna do yogic practices. Even though there's people there already. Check this out. We're just walking through the field and there's like this big weird mushroom. Have no idea, I'm not touching it. But nice view. So we're up at the top, guys. This is the yoga platform. Look how beautiful that is. Gorgeous wood, gorgeous view. gorgeous Venus. She's gonna do yoga. And I'll do some. I'll do a little bit. I've been known to do the splits once or twice, you know what I'm saying? Split my nuts, maybe. All right, so we're headed back down the hill. That was pretty wicked. I suggest coming up here. That's Predator Ridge, the yoga platform. Beautiful views, the Okanagan Valley and Okanagan Lake. All right, next time, guys. See ya.